Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, battery, and system board. Removal. Peel back the shielding that covers the solid-state drive. Carefully remove the memory shield from the clips on the system board. Caution: the memory shield edges are sharp. Handle with care. Push both arms outward simultaneously to release the memory module to the spring tension position. Grasp the memory module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the memory module with the key in the memory module slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the memory module into its slot on the system board. Press the memory module down to latch the arms. Place the memory shield into the clips on the system board. Replace the shielding that covers the solid-state drive.